Hi, this is Chris, 24k on Twitter and 24k on Instagram. Today we're taking a look at the Moshi IonSlim 10k. This is the replacement battery that they have for their Ion Bank 10k, but what we like most about this battery, provides up to 35 watts of power. It does actually 30 watts of power delivery through its USB-C port, which you'll see right here. Right there, and it has a USB-A port that can do up to 12 watts out of that port right there, and it's really nice and thin. It's definitely compact. They give you two cables, USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C, so you have what you need to use both ports, and you just tap the button there to turn it on, and when you charge it up you see LEDs. So there is the IonSlim from Moshi with 10,000 milliamps of power with 30 watt of power delivery that you can charge a MacBook with.